Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Now in Yoruba land guys, we have an idiomatic expression that goes Gambari pa Fulani kò lẹ́jọ́ nú. This is the Yoruba expression, but of course this expression now is traditional and doesn't have space in contemporary times because of course in contemporary times the life of a being is sacrosanct. So with that guys, I bring you this. Boko Haram terrorist kills 19 Fulani herdsmen in gun battle. So that's the headline. Boko Haram terrorist kill 19 Fulani herdsmen in a gun battle. So now let's now see now how the Malamis are cannibalizing themselves. Boko Haram terrorists on Saturday killed 19 Fulani herdsmen in Borno, militia sources and residents told AFP on Sunday. The Fulani herdsmen were said to have pursued the Boko Haram terrorists, targeting their cattle, sparking a fierce gun battle outside of Fuhe village in Ngala, close to the borders with Cameroon, leading to the killings. The insurgents killed 19 of the headsmen in the battle. Anti-jihadist leader Umar whatever, I don't want to attempt his last name, Umar told AFP. Bodies of the slain herdsmen were brought to the police by militiamen, Umar said. Boko Haram are increasingly targeting farmers, herders, and loggers, accusing them of spying and passing information to the military and local militias fighting them. They have also been raiding herding communities, seizing cattle, a valuable commodity in the region, to fund their operations. Boko Haram and rival Islamic State West Africa province are known to operate in areas around Ngala and the neighboring towns of Gamburu. So now that is now the narrative now. But as I started off with, but I'm not obviously resting on that, Gambari pa Fulani kò lẹ́jọ́ nú. But of course, we are now a civilized people, and we are especially in a civilized age now. So that narrative of Gambari pa Fulani kò lẹ́jọ́ nú does not hold sway anymore, because even though we are completely against the Fulani headsmen who are just barbarians, but nevertheless they are sentient beings, they are human beings, and they bleed, weep, cry, happy, sad, all exactly like you and I. So they're still human beings. So of course 19 of them now having to lose their life defending their cattle is not something that should rest or sit easy with anybody else, whether it is Boko Haram or not, and whether it's Fulani herdsmen or not. But of course now, Gambari pa Fulani kò lẹ́jọ́ nú. That is how certain Yoruba mindsets might want to respond initially. But as I said, we're in an era of enlightenment now. Conversations in the comment section, the Boko Haram and the Fulani herdsmen controversy. We all knew that it would get to this point when these people would clash, and this is now the first skirmish. As far as my understanding, I'm not saying categorically that it is the first skirmish between these two elements, but per my understanding, per my own knowledge, and you can correct me if you know of any other skirmishes between Boko Haram and the herdsmen, but per my own knowledge, this is the first skirmish between these two elements, the Janjaweeds and the Abokis, or whatever, however you choose to term them. Gambari pa Fulani kò lẹ́jọ́ nú, but of course ó lẹ́jọ́ nú is really where the narrative is now. I'm not going to translate that Yoruba idiom, so you have to go and speak to your Yoruba friends to have that understanding, because every Nigerian really should understand some element of the Yoruba language. But whatever your thoughts are, come share them with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button as well notifies you every time I drop a new video, and the reason why I am asking you to do that is because then we have a large enough of a following for YouTube to present our videos to more people, and then we have more people engaging in our conversation. So do that. Click on subscribe, click on notification, and then of course then more people are engaging with the conversation, and whether those people agree with you or disagree with you, at least they are part of that conversation, and we have a broader conversation to have a more nuanced and a more concrete base to have this conversation. So this is really why you should do that. So subscribe, notification, and then tell me now what you are making of the narrative of this video in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on this conversation with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.